Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to get through the wizard. Once you install M2E Pro, you will see additional tabs on your Magento admin panel. Select the marketplace you want to integrate and click on the tab to start the wizard. Let's see how it's done for eBay marketplace. At the first step, check your personal information. If it's not correct, you can make adjustments now or later in your account on M2E Clients portal after you complete the wizard. Please read the privacy policy and confirm if you agree to the terms. At the second step, you need to sign into your eBay account, providing your email and password. On this page, click Agree to grant M2E Pro application access. That's it, you successfully linked your channel account with M2E Pro. Now, to start working with the extension, you will need to create your first M2E Pro listing. Watch our next tutorial to learn how to do that.